Hi students, today let us discuss with the topic decision making. Okay, see here ma. So actually what is the meaning of decision making? See, a decision making is an important job of a manager. It involves choosing a course of action from several alternative courses of action. It is a selection of one course of action from two or more alternative courses of action. The way a manager acts or decides the course of action among various alternatives is an act of decision making. All managerial functions are performed through the medium of decision. So listen here, actually what is the meaning of decision here? Nothing but here a decision making. If a manager is there, a manager what he has to do ma? So regarding to reach his objective or goal, compulsory he has to take a decision. Okay, so it is one of the important part to the manager. It is important job to him that he has to take the decision. Okay, so decision here nothing but decision will be in so many cases. So in an organization we will be having a different types of alternatives, several alternatives we will be having. So here what happens means, so here regarding all those things, compulsory has to take a decision. So here decision depends upon the situation. Decision depends upon the situations and depends upon the manager functions in the organizations according to that. Okay, so listen carefully ma. సో డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక మేనేజర్ ఉన్నాడు, ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకుంటాడు. ఆ ప్లాన్ వేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ ప్లాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి, అతను డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. ఆ ప్లాన్ ఏం చేయాలి, డిసైడ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా వర్క్ జరగాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మేనేజర్ ఏం చేయాలి, ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకొని ఆ డెసిషన్ ఏం చేయాలి, అక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఒక మేనేజర్ ఉన్నాడు. మేనేజర్కి డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాన్స్లో నుంచి బెస్ట్ వన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయడం. ఓకే, బెస్ట్ వన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఆ బెస్ట్ వన్ అనేది అది డెసిషన్ అనమాట. ఓకే, హియర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ మీన్స్ ఎ మేనేజర్ హీ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ఇన్ హిస్ మైండ్ హీ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ఏ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లాన్స్. So to in that, first of all he has to select the one plan. So here what he has to do, he has to take a decision for that. He has to take a decision that which plan he has to implement now. Okay, that is the meaning of the decision making. అంటే అతను ఏ ప్లాన్ అయితే తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటాడు దానికి ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వాటిలో నుంచి దాన్ని అతను ఏం చేయాలి, సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. బెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. దానికి పర్ఫెక్ట్గా అలా బెస్ట్ ప్లాన్ తీసుకోవడం ఇక్కడ ఏమంటామంటే డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ అని అంటాం. ఓకే, so next one coming to the definition. So here different authors they have given a definitions. Okay, so according to Coates and O'Donnell, decision making is the actual selection from among alternatives of a course of action. So decision making is nothing but we have so many courses, so many alternatives we have. From that alternative we have to select the best one. So that is called as a decision making according to Coates. Okay, next we are going to discuss with the characteristics or nature of decision making. So first one is process of selecting best alternative. So decision making is a process of selecting best alternative out of the available alternatives. There are many ways of solving a problem. All available alternatives are identified and the best is selected from tackling a problem. So here what happens means decision making is a process of selecting best alternative ma. So in an what happens means here just now I have said a manager in his mind he will be having so many plans. So in that so many plans, he has to select the best one. So that is a decision making. Perfect one he has to select to reach his objective. Okay, if suppose he is selecting a perfect one, so what happens there in an organization we can't arise any problems. Okay, so manager should be in that way that he should be so skilled, efficient that he has to select the best one. Okay, evaluating various alternatives means see it involves the evaluation of various alternatives available. The selection of best alternative will be possible only when pros and cons of all of them are discussed and evaluated. So here what happens means we will make a different so many alternatives we will be having. So in so many alternatives what they have to do means first of all they have to check it, they have to discuss it that which is the best one. After discussion, evaluating and everything, then what we have to do, we can come out with the best alternatives over there. Okay, next, based on rational thinking. Decision making is based on rational thinking. The manager tries to foresee various possible effects of a decision before deciding a particular course of action. So here what happens means based on rational thinking. So what a manager has to see means he has to see all the possibilities. Nothing but if suppose he is taking any decision regarding that all the possibilities he has to check it. Okay, nothing but to finally to reach the goal, which is the best one, which will be the cheapest way, in which way we can complete the work so soon. So he has to think all those things. Okay. Next, aimed at achieving organizational goals. Decision making is based on achieving organizational goals. All decisions of an organization will help in reaching their goals. So here, decision making is very important in an organization. Why? Because on the decision making itself, it depends that finally the organization will achieve its objective or not. Decision linked to problems. Decisions linked to problem is seen here. The decisions are linked to find out solutions for problems. Whenever a situation arises where a problem or a conflict needs solution, appropriate decision will be taken to solve them. A manager faces difficult situations in a day-to-day working, and he is required to take decisions to tackle those situations. So here, decisions linked to problem. In an organization, compulsory regularly we will be having so many problems. So here, the manager should be so capable that he has to take a correct and appropriate decision appropriate decision to solve them. Why? Because in day-to-day working, he will so many things will be happen as per the situations. So here what happens means immediate decisions also should be taken. Okay. Involves commitment means if suppose we have taken a decision, so here what happens means we have committed to it already. We have if once we have taken a decision means compulsory we should be committed to it. Next, decision is a end result. So why decision is called as end results? Because so once we have taken a decision means what happens here, we have to think that with that decision we don't arise any problems also. Okay. If suppose there are any problems also, we can solve it. So in that way we have to take the decisions. Next, core of planning. All types of planning depends on decision making. Nothing will move unless a decision is taken. So decision making is a core of planning. So what happens means total the plan which we have made, that plan, it depends upon the decision making only. So here what happens, the plan which we have made, that plan should be implemented. So for that compulsory what they have to take a decision. So to implement the plan, the decision is very important over here. So these are the 8 characteristics of decision making. Okay, Anama? So regularly maintain the notes. If you have any doubts, you can call me or WhatsApp me.